Hi, in this video, I'll show you how two-factor authentication via Google Authenticator app works. To enable Google Two-Factor Authentication, go to your Academy settings, Security Center. Find the function and toggle the switch to enable it. Please note that once Google Two-Factor Authentication is enabled, the standard two-factor authentication will be automatically disabled. Google Two-Factor Authentication applies to both learners and administrators, but it works slightly differently for each role. For learners, two-factor authentication is enabled automatically for all users. For administrators, two-factor authentication is mandatory, but each administrator must configure it individually. Learners cannot disable two-factor authentication on their own. Administrators manage two-factor authentication through their personal profile settings. To set up two-factor authentication, an administrator needs to go to Profile Settings and scroll to Security section, select two-factor authentication, and proceed with the setup. Scan the QR code using the Google Authenticator app, say the recovery key, and enter the account password to confirm. Once completed, two-factor authentication is successfully activated and your account is securely protected. After two-factor authentication is enabled, all learners must set it up before accessing the Academy. Learners need to scan the QR code, add the Academy email to the app, save the recovery code, and enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator to confirm setup. After that, during every subsequent login, learners will see a field to enter the one-time code from Google Authenticator app. After confirming the code, access to the account will be granted. In the user profile, there is an option to create a new emergency recovery key. This key can be used to restore access to the account if the access to Google Authenticator is lost. Please note that once a new recovery key is created, the previous key is automatically invalidated. Thank you. Have a good day.